Waiting for the taxi, we're moving to Rimini. We're gonna go to the airport, pick up someone by name MotoCat on Instagram, so follow her.
And we think only two, engine and women.
Oh. As I said, we're picking someone from the airport. There she is.
Hi!
How are you? Subscribe, like,
Yes! That's a Streetfighter. This is fun having all the influences in one place in one car.
That's right. Oh yeah.
Let's check out the beach and then head to dinner. Buongiorno, that's hello, good morning in Italian, but in our way, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. I don't think I can speak that in Italian. Anyway, here for breakfast, it's a buffet, this is included in the package. But when I said yesterday, food's going to be difficult, last night surprisingly for dinner it was easy, the pizza was amazing, it didn't have egg in it, so I was fine. But breakfast most of the hotels, this is what you get if you're a vegetarian, Indian vegetarian especially, and if you don't have eggs, it's much worse. So this is a small baguette, cornflakes with milk, regular fruit yogurt, bread, salad, and some sauces. That's it. Oh, juice obviously. There are a lot of croissants, they look lovely here, but they contain egg, they're made of egg, or they use egg wash, and I don't eat eggs too, so... Oops.
A few moments later.
Just waiting for the taxi, we're moving to Rimini, so that's almost 1 hour drive from here. That should be interesting.
Una volta ogni tanto ti levo il peso, ti levo.
Ciao Alessandro.
Ciao Guru. How is it going?
Good. You?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you ready to the race?
Yes. Woody woo. It's gonna take 1 hour to reach Rimini.
No, more.
More?
Yeah, 120. And the Catholic, because I don't remember if I have written in my computer, but anyway, I have 2 stops, one in Rimini and one in Cattolica.
Okay.
So you are in 3.
Okay.
I don't remember where I have to stop you, but anyway, in any case, Rimini is 115 and the Cattolica is 145.
I am staying in Rimini.
In Rimini, so
Yes.
it's l'hotel of Rimini.
Hotel, yes.
L'hotel. The name is really l'hotel. Unbelievable. They are crazy.
I didn't realize this, but the hotel name is L'Hotel.
Yes.
L'Oel. We're gonna go to the airport, pick up someone by name MotoCat on Instagram, so follow her. We both will head to Rimini, and he has another person to pick up or drop off, I guess, which is gonna be another stop. So busy day for him, but for us it's just drop off at Rimini and chilling and waiting for the rest of the guys to join. I think we have 2 people joining from India, Virnakai and Priyanka Kochar. Just checking out the roads here to see, because I might have to ride in these locations later in this trip. So need to get acclimatized to the road signs and also the directions you drive and ride on the right side. I mean, I've driven in US and Canada, but I haven't ridden anywhere else outside India, man. So that's going to be a first for me. Yeah, I'm on board the craziest driver here in Italy.
Yeah, I'm sorry for you, but you are on board with me. The craziest driver all around this area. Remember, Alex, that is the... And we think only 2, engine and women.
Oh. And food. I love the food here so far.
Yes, food is okay, but first of all, women and engine. After everything.
So how come you're driving a Mercedes and not a Ferrari?
No, sorry, I lose only Lamborghini or Pagani, not Ferrari.
No Ferrari.
Sorry.
Back in the airport to pick up the other 2 people who are going to join us on the ride, but something interesting here, yeah. Maybe you'll find this in Dubai, I guess, but there's a Lamborghini parked right inside the airport here. Crazy.
That's my bike.
That's yours?
Yeah, I think it's an 899. careful. I want to.
So, that's a old bike, yeah.
No, I don't like this one. The motor is not the old one. No,
It's like we're picking someone from the airport. There she is.
Hi! On Instagram, I'm the motor
Motorcat.
Yeah.
I told them already.
Okay.
But your real name is Tanya, right?
Tanya, yes.
Tanya. She's from Vienna.
Yes, from Austria, Vienna.
Oh, sweet.
And we just met on the airport.
And she did some really good reels on Instagram. Yeah, check. I mean, I struggle making reels, so seeing your
I will
reels.
teach you.
But she is really good on the reels. Check them out.
Thank you so much.
We're just checking some bikes that are coming, and a lot of Ducatis. Already we saw 4-5 Panigales
Yes.
already, and we are gonna
Now we're
see
checking for more Ducatis.
and we're gonna see a lot more from tomorrow. This is a road I might ride in the next 3 days. I don't know.
No, I don't think. I think you're going for the countryside.
Countryside,
Not
check
on
out
the
local
highway.
literally, not on the highway. Yes. This is scary. This is too fast for me.
What?
Yeah, because the way we drive in India is different.
You mean the lanes?
No, that's okay. I'm
That's the
used
same.
to. I can ride on the right side,
Yes.
but the
But
problem
you ride
is
on the left side.
left side.
I love to ride. I feel more comfortable.
On the
because
left.
when I'm in Thailand, I feel so comfortable.
Okay.
And when I'm there for 1 month
Okay.
and come back home, I feel so confused, you know?
Okay. The problem is here the speeds are. Everyone's going at what 110, 120, right?
Yes.
In India, it doesn't work like that. Some go at 100, some go at 40, some go
At
at
40?
150. So the speeds are so different.
Oh, you're not allowed to go under 60 on the highway. You
Yes.
have to go at least 60.
At least 60.
But everybody wants to go fast, so everybody goes more than 100.
Yes. But I don't know.
You mean a 200 and not
200. No, there's no autobahn. Just checked into the hotel here in Rimini. Man, this place has a lot of Miami vibes to it. And if you can see there, just behind the billboard, there's Adriatic Sea. Very chilled out, cool town. Let me show you the hotel and the room. It's for YouTube. That's Samantha who checked me in.
Hi.
So nice of her. Yes.
How are you? To subscribe, like, subscribe.
Yes. Your name?
I mean,
So that video will be up in 3-4 days.
okay.
Ciao. Thank you. Grazie. This is the place for breakfast. Nice compact hotel. Suit mostly than a hotel. Excuse. I just said sorry for them in Italian. Excuse. I hope that's right. Anyway, there's a washroom. Funny thing about washrooms is you have two. Why? Google it. I told them it's just one, but they gave me 3 beds. I don't know why. But nice, cozy stay for 3 nights here. Just me. And we have a nice patio here, overlooking the road and the other rooms. Man, this reminds me of those Instagram stories where they open the door and shout and people around ask you to shut up. I hope someone actually does it here. You can see balconies everywhere. Time to go explore the town of Rimini and have some lunch. Hopefully with some more influencers, because there are quite a few already who are nearby. We'll just message in the Telegram group and see if anyone's nearby to have lunch together. That would be cool. Ordered the local metro train here. Payment was a bit tricky, but if you have credit card, you can pay. Just couldn't read the signs. The localite helped me selecting it. It said 1 zone or 2 zone. Not sure what 2 zone is, but the next stop is where I get down. It's only 5 stops from the hotel. There's a Ducati accessory store. That's where some of the influencers are meeting. So maybe we'll catch up and go for lunch. Slight change of plan. By the time I was able to reach the accessory shop, they have already finished shopping and are heading to the beach. So we are meeting directly for lunch by the beach. Man, this area looks really good. Check it out. Such a cool, chilled out place here. Not much of tourist traffic. Probably I'm the only one who looks little out of place with the camera in hand and talking to the camera, but nice place here. Good place to chill out. Would have loved all my friends here. Yeah. That's a Streetfighter. Panigale, Streetfighter, Multistrada. Just park like that on the street side. crazy. You'll find it only in Italy. If you leave that like in India, imagine how many people would be taking photos at that bike. This is the main station of Rimini. This is where you board trains, intercity trains or local buses, the metro buses. Connectivity is pretty good. It's just that you need to know how to travel locally. I found an app where you can buy tickets before you board. So I'm planning to use that. But good, yeah. It's fun, kind of. It's tiring, but it's kind of fun exploring local city by their buses and by just walking. But it's too hot, dude. Please mind the look. I can't help with that. Are you guys comfortable back there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're here.
This is fun having all the influences in one place in one car.
That's right.
Oh yeah.
From all different places.
All different places
world,
of the world.
From all the hottest places in the world. From
Yes,
India to Arizona.
I think that's one common thing we have. We are,
Yes,
we are coming from the hottest places.
As you can see, we are all calm and collective and cool because this heat does nothing to us. It affects us zero because we're all used to it. So the only thing we should be on right now is like 5 Ducatis.
Yes, which are much hotter.
And tomorrow
Oi.
we will be riding them.
Yes, I'm excited for the next 3 days here.
Yes, exactly.
And in case you want to know who is into what, follow me on Instagram because I've shared all their tags, handles, and you'd be knowing what cool stuff they handle. So this is for people who are from India. Who did that?
Me and Milan.
Hey, so just so you guys, everyone knows, this is Ducati Biker. I'm here with my team. We're visiting, obviously, Ducati World Bike Week 2022.
Okay.
I have my videographer, Charles, right next to me. I have one of my sponsored influencers, David, next to me. And then my manager right here, Michael Burning, in front of me. So what we did in May is we ordered one of the first Multistrada Pikes Peak V4 to arrive in United States, and what we did is we ordered it specifically in Colorado because our main goal and focus was to be one of the first, which we are, to ride the new Multistrada Pikes Peak V4 on the Colorado Springs.
I think I might have seen that video.
Yeah, so we did
because it was
a YouTube video.
Yes, and I think it was one
Collaboration with Ducati
collaboration,
Multistrada,
and
yeah.
it was one stretch where you have to ride non-stop, right?
Yeah, well, we were not there during the race.
Okay.
So we were able to session the mountain back and forth. It was a really intense day for weather conditions. We had a lot of wind, a lot of rain, a lot of snow, all sorts of things.
Snowing.
But we were there at the last minutes during the day before they shut the top of the mountain down, so we could actually ride all the way to the top, get all the footage, and document it for all you guys, then ride it back down.
Okay.
So we're really honored and privileged to be able to share the experience with all the Ducatis, especially here in Italy.
That's definitely exclusive, yeah. I guess we got a packed weekend ahead, and it's going to be fun, yeah. Quite a few more people joining us in the next few days, and we're looking forward to it. I was just about to start working, do the first video edit that you're going to see. Alice here, who was taking care of the front desk, is also making the coffee. Grazie.
There you go.
So you do both?
Yes.
Amazing. It was just few yards down there, so I walked all the way up here and wanted to check out the beach. Give me a beach and I can sit all day, man. And I wanted to go to the beach since morning, but then a lot of works came up. I just finished my video edit and thought now the weather is so cool that I can go check out the water and also experience the beach. After that I'll have a dinner just in one of these restaurants. The reviews for this one is pretty good. And in case you're wondering how come I could zoom all the way up there, this is the new 24-105 f4 lens that I'm trying on. Hence the frame is kind of cropped in compared to my previous lens 14mm, which is much wider. Like, yeah, it would be that wide, but I would look so funny doing that. This itself with the weight is kind of tough. I can't vlog for long, but I'm just trying out this lens, and surprisingly the quality in the night time is pretty good, because primarily A7 S3 is amazing low light conditions, so even f4 would work brilliantly, but my 14mm f1.8 is at a different level altogether. Anyway, let's check out the beach and then head to dinner. I don't think anyone else would be joining me. A few influencers who are supposed to join today from India are kind of on their way from Frankfurt. Frankfurt airport has been a mess, so I hope they're not delayed here. Also, please don't get deceived by the colors here. It's much darker. The camera is enhancing the colors in low light, but still, yeah, pretty good quality. Look at the number of benches, or I don't know what you call them, but And this would be a happening place in the morning, I guess. Should definitely come out. But the weather is so cool now. Like, man, I'm missing all my wife, my friends, everyone. This would have been such a fun experience with them. By the way, one interesting feature about this lens is optical image stabilization. This is with optical stabilization on, and this is with optical stabilization off. This camera has an IBIS inbuilt in-body image stabilization, but once you have OIS on the lens, it enhances the footage quite a lot. So I hope you saw the difference there. What a location here. Okay, this is going to be the first dip into the water in Italy. So that's Adriatic Sea for you, and this is the town of Rimini. Man, so much life here. Must have been a different life during COVID, because Italy was one of the worst hit countries, but now it seems to be back to normalcy. Let me enjoy the beach for a while and then head to dinner, because you won't get such me time so frequently. That's a common scene I've been seeing since morning. But if you think that's a lot, wait till tomorrow. It's going to be mind-blowing here. And most of the bikes or cars have modified exhaust notes, as you can probably hear in the background, and they sound so cool, and I'm in love with this place already. And there are so many of these maxi scooters here, and these cute little scooters. One thing me and my wife might do is rent a scooter during our trip, because I want her to experience how it is riding a scooter like a Vespa in Italy. That would be epic. Chalo, super hungry, time to head get some food. Man, size proportions here are not suitable. You need to share the meals with everyone, otherwise even the baby meals are so big. That's a baby margarita, and he said that's small size of French fries. Boy, that's gonna be a lot. Also, these fries have to be the best I've had here. They look different too. I don't think I can finish all of them, but they're so good, yeah. Let me try the pizza. Margarita from the Pizza Home. So authentic here. Yesterday's was better. This is almost like 9 out of 10. That was at a different level. The last time I was in Europe, it was in 2014 when I visited Paris and Munich. And there, every time I went to a restaurant, they said the pizza or the pasta have egg in it. So that was my context when I said I'll definitely lose some weight. But here, surprisingly, pizzas didn't have egg. I haven't checked out the pasta yet, but there I found few restaurants which had vegan options too, which is perfect. That's what I had for lunch. And then I tried the gelato. Man, gelato is also another thing that was born in Italy, and oh boy, it tasted so good. I had the chocolate gelato. More than that, the crepes that they were making at the store looked so tempting, trust me. But they do have eggs, so I can't have them. Anyway, back in the room, kind of feeling heavy, so I want to probably skip breakfast tomorrow. But tomorrow is when we head to the track, pick up the bike, cover the event, and then come back. So it's gonna be tricky to figure out what stuff to take and what not to, because I can at the most take a backpack, but in the backpack you can't put your entire riding gear. So I have to probably plan to carry clothes, backup clothes, because I would need the bike only after the event. During the event, there's nothing I would do. I should be covering the event. That would require different dressing compared to riding a bike. With my climb gear in this hot weather, tomorrow is going to be an experience, but that's how you learn, right? Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this nighttime, have a good night and take care.